Hello everyone, today we will make this very beautiful crochet hoop earring design. For making this I am using cotton thread, hoop earring and 2 number crochet hook and white beads. First I will insert beads in earring. Now we will take thread, one single crochet, second single crochet, and third single crochet. Now make a chain 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now take one bead here and make a one single crochet over bead like this. Again one single crochet and second single crochet. So we made total 3 single crochet. First one connected and 2 more. Again we will take a bead and make chain 1, 2, 3, 4 and connect here by one single crochet, second single crochet and third single crochet. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, take a bead and connect here with one single crochet. Again 2 more single crochet, 1 and 2. Again chain 1, 2, 3, 4, take a bead, again connect with single crochet. So I will follow same pattern and connect these beads and complete my work. I have completed my round. Now one chain, I will turn my work in second single crochet, make one slip stitch. Now in this loop, now we will work in this loop, one single crochet, one half double crochet, one double crochet, second double crochet and third double crochet, one half double crochet and one single crochet in last. Here are the 3 single crochets, so in center one I will make a one single crochet. Again I will move in this next loop, one single crochet, one half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3, 3 double crochet, one half double crochet and one single crochet. In next second single crochet, make a one single crochet. Again I will move in next gap, one single crochet, one half double crochet, 3 double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, again connect in second single crochet by single crochet. So we will get this type of design. I will follow same pattern all around and complete my work. I have completed my work. Now I will cut the thread and adjust this extra thread back side. Now our earring is ready. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.